Hey everyone, welcome back to another crypto tutorial. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to send your Shiba Inu, SHIB, tokens from Bitrue exchange straight to your Metamask wallet. This guide is tailored for 2025, so we'll cover the latest steps to make sure you're doing this safely and efficiently. Why bother? Well, moving your crypto off an exchange like Bitrue to a personal wallet like Metamask gives you full control and enhances security, especially important in the ever-evolving crypto world. First things first, before we dive in, make sure you have a few basics sorted. You'll need a verified Bitrue account with some SHIB tokens, and a Metamask wallet set up on your device. If you haven't done that yet, pause this video and get those ready. It's quick and easy. Let's jump into the steps. Step 1. Log into your Bitrue account and head over to the Wallets, or Assets, section. Find your SHIB balance there. Next, click on Withdraw, next to SHIB. This is where things get exciting. Step 2. You'll need to select the correct network. SHIB is an ERC20 token, so choose the Ethereum network. Double-check this to avoid any issues. Step 3. Now, copy your Metamask wallet address. Open Metamask, switch to the Ethereum mainnet if needed, and copy the address from the top. Paste it into the withdrawal form on Bitrue. Step 4. Enter the amount of SHIB you want to send, but remember to leave enough for any withdrawal fees. Review everything carefully. Wrong addresses can lead to permanent loss. Once you're good, hit confirm. You'll get a confirmation email or notification. After that, sit tight. Transactions can take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, open Metamask and refresh your wallet. You should see your SHIB tokens there. Awesome, right? A quick word of caution. Always use the official apps and double-check for phishing sites. Also, keep an eye on gas fees, they can vary. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to practice. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next one.